In this series of videos, we'll cover all the main functionality of the virtual collaboration feature in SoundBridge. Virtual collaboration is a premium feature included in the Everything Bundle subscription. Free tier users and lifetime license owners can add it as an additional subscription. Also, lifetime license owners can opt for a sovereign setup by hosting their own Linux Plus co-turn instances for private, secure, and independent remote sessions. To start a virtual collaboration session, the first step is selecting the correct region. This ensures the fastest possible connection to the servers. Go to Preferences and then click on Virtual Collaboration and choose the region closest to all participants. In this same menu, lifetime license owners can also add their own stun and turn endpoints to use a private server for the session. More information on setting up your own turn server is available on the SoundBridge blog. Note that all participants in a virtual collaboration session must be logged into a SoundBridge account with either a lifetime license, a virtual collaboration subscription, or an Everything Bundle subscription. Once that's set, you can create a room by going to File, Create Virtual Session, copy the connection credentials and click Wait for Connection to wait for the other peer. You'll then need to send those credentials externally to the other participant via email, text, or whatever method you prefer. They can join by going to File, Join Virtual Session, pasting the credentials, and clicking Connect. Once connected, it's important to understand each peer's role. The session creator, the person who generates the shareable token, is the host, aka the producer with the song on their side, and controls global parameters like tempo, time signature, and markers. The person joining is the guest, also known as the musician you're remoting in, and their project is automatically synced to the host's sequencer and global project metadata, such as tempo and time signature automation and position markers. We hope you enjoy this content. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord and make sure you go to www.soundbridge.io to try the free version of SoundBridge, all links in the description. By the way, if you like the music featured in this video, it was entirely made in SoundBridge. Keep making music.